you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a wine little gift box here to show you guys. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I purchased this box right here. It is the Jingle and Mingle wine gift box. Wines from around the world. There's 12 187 milliliter bottles inside, so it's kind of like a 12-day advent calendar style. I did purchase one from Target last year, so when I saw that this was available, I'm like, yes, because I love me some wine, so I definitely wanted to try this out. Plus, it's a great thing. Like, there's some like rosé, whatever, I'm not too fond of, but those I could always save. And if I ever have guests over that they like it, I can pour them a glass and here you go. So I like being able to have like some of these little bottles around. Like, it's a 1 glass pour, and it's great to have different ones because you never know what somebody likes. So again, I love having these. So I have 12 different little bottle variety to choose from. So let's go ahead and dive in. This here, again, I bought at Target. It was $39.99 is the total of it. And I got it at my actual local store. I'm not sure if you can ship this online. I never tried, but I just picked mine up at my local store. So let's go ahead and open her up and see all the different 12 wine bottles we're gonna have in here. If I can get it opened. Okay, so you open up the top lid and there is your punch door style 1 through 12. So we're gonna go ahead and start with door number 1. And door number 1, we have Night Lights Cabernet. I can't wait to try these, you guys. And that's a good size bottle too. I think the one last year were smaller than these, but either way, that's a great size. So there's number 1, number 2. This one here is the Geometric Trees Chardonnay from Italy. Oh, does it say where this one came from? Bulgaria. This one came from Bulgaria. Number 3. This is Merrier Than Ever Merlot from France. And again, I love these size bottles. Number 4. This is Winter Wonder. It's a Sauvignon Blanc. I don't know how to say that one, but this one's from Romania. The Sauvignon Blanc, whatever. I've never said I know how to pronounce them, but I know how to drink them. Number 5. This is Golden Tomorrow. This is a Cabernet from Portugal. Halfway there. Snowflake Encore. Muscat Hungry. Number 7. Festive Fun from Spain. Live Life Uncorked. Rosé from France. Number 9 says Antler Envy, a white blend from Portugal. Number 10, A Night to Remember, a red blend from France. Number 11 is Snow Crystals in AIREN, never heard of that, from Spain. And the last and final door, number 12, we have a Get Jolly by Golly, and it's a Cabernet from France. So that is so cool. You literally have different wines from around the world. There's 12 different ones that you can enjoy, and I really like the size of these being this big. Like, that is amazing. So that is everything from the 12-day Jingle and Mingle wine gift box. Okay, you guys, so that is everything for this gift box of wine. What did you think? What is your favorite wine? Me, I drink pretty much anything. I just don't really like the rosé ones. But white, dark, sweet, whatever. As long as it's wine, I'm pretty much drinking it. So again, that is everything for this particular video. If you want to check out this box, I will link the Target link down below in the description box for you if you like to go take a look at it. If you would like to see other companies, discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.